Hey Ron, a lot of people are asking what's the best way to make money in real estate in 2023?
Well, the answer to that question might seem trite because the best way to make money in real estate in 2023 is the same way we made money in 2022, 2021, and 2020 and beyond for the last 41 years of my career. Do we adapt with the times? Absolutely. Are we going into a slower time, coming out of a hot time? Absolutely. But the way we buy houses hasn't changed. Some of the marketing has changed. We have to get to qualified leads, which is the big key. We have to deal with people who need to sell their house, not people who just want to list it and want retail price for it. So once you learn the techniques, now it's just a matter of applying some good marketing to it, which we also teach. Get the lead, make a closing call using my scripts, and take the ones that come through as deals and get rid of the rest and follow up and turn some of those into deals. There you have it. You have the whole program right there in one sentence, because frankly, that's all there is to buying houses, whether we buy them on terms or whether we buy them for cash. Some of them we can buy on terms, some of them we pay cash because they need rehab. It's the same call, it's the same marketing, just whether I close with cash using private lenders or whether I use terms or I don't need any cash. So frankly, it's not going to change going forward. The market will change, but the techniques will not change. If you want to learn more about that, follow me.